Hi, I'm Mike Smith at Berlin City Auto Group in Gorham, New Hampshire, and I'd like to show you this Dodge Durango Citadel. But I have a dilemma. How do you do? How is it? Is this? I don't know whether they put the sport in the utility or the utility in the sport. And you're going to see why momentarily. And help me figure it out. Thank you. Sport and utility. Beautiful chrome here. We've got 20-inch wheels on this car. Inside here you're going to see a luxurious leather interior. It's second to none. That's the sport end. The utility and sport. Four-wheel drive system with neutral tow. Auto stick transmission. Even a power inverter. All those things that make a vehicle practical. And of course, trailer tow and a Hemi engine. Life is good. Thank you. Tell me, is this a sport, or is it a utility, or is it both? If you're watching the video, leave a comment, and I thank you very much. This is Mike Smith at Berlin City.